First, we're gonna season our meat with Ocean State Pepper Company's Java Q and Cowabunga. Absolutely fantastic seasonings for this incredible piece of meat. Once we season it, we're gonna do both sides. Make sure you do the edges. You wanna get a complete coating. Look at that. That's gonna be our flavor baked on the top. We're gonna go ahead and seal this up in our bag for our sous vide. Now I'm doing the immersion method here, which is basically submerging the bag, getting the air out, which will make a vacuum, so you don't need a vacuum sealer. I'm gonna cut some herbs from my Aero Gardens. Love those fresh herbs. We got some basil. We got some garlic pesto we're making. For the sauce coming up, we're gonna add some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. We're gonna put a tablespoon of Brala's garlic whip, some crushed pepper, and then we're gonna add that basil for an incredible sauce. Look at that color. For the sear, you wanna take it out of the sous vide when it's done, dry it really, really well. That's very important for the sear. And then we're gonna get our cast iron super, super hot. We wanna go over 500 degrees. I usually shoot for about 530 using avocado oil, which won't burn. Here you can see I'm in the 530 mark. Perfect for the sear. We're gonna lay that down. We're talking 20 to 30 seconds. That is it per side. You notice I don't have a lot of oil in that pan. You don't need it. We're gonna go ahead and flip it over. And then that crust is a must. We definitely got the crust. Topped it off with some sauce. We're gonna add some incredible curried carrots, some olives, and that sauce. When you cut it open, look at that. Edge to edge perfection. That is why you sous vide. You will not get that any other way of cooking. You can try it on a reverse sear, but this is the way to do it. Let's give it a try. Wow. It's gone. It's like butter. Filet mignon tender. Almost 3 hours in the sous vide machine. If you don't have a sous vide, you gotta check it out. Cast iron, hot sear. Do it outside on the grill as well. And let me tell you something, this is next level. Smoke on, baby. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to see all my other videos. I've got a lot of them out there. Would love to get that in your hands to do a lot more cooking. Thanks for watching.